how to chain functions in Python. Sometimes if you have to perform a operation on one variable and you have separate functions for it, you can use a method called function chaining, in which we apply all the functions that you want to apply on one variable, one after the other, and we chain these functions, hence the name function chaining. We can see an example. Suppose I have the variable x and it is python, Python. So if I want to print x dot um, x dot upper dot replace y with I. So let's try this and then we'll print y is equal to, sorry, we'll print y. So I'll write, so I have written over here x dot replace, and then I have converted to uppercase. So let's see if it replaces y with I and then makes it into uppercase. We'll run this, and yes, see, it converted all small python into uppercase and also replaced the y with I. So here we can see it has run both replace and upper in one go. So this is how we chain functions in Python.